students, welcome to my third video lecture of chapter 4 basic geometrical ideas. In today's video lecture we will discuss some sums from exercise 4.1 page number 69. First of all, I would like to discuss the question number 4, which is like this. Identify the perpendicular line segments in the given figure. So first of all, you have to remind yourself what is the perpendicular lines. When there is a 90-degree angle between two lines, then both lines are called perpendicular to each other. So here you can see that the line segment PQ and QR, they are having 90-degree angle, and then QR and then RS both are having 90-degree angle. So we can say that PQ perpendicular to QR, as well QR is perpendicular to RS. Okay, my next sum is like that. Here question number 6, which I am going to discuss with you, and some questions are there which is given after in this slide. So first of all, I would like to give name to this given line which is I have drawn on the screen. So first one, red one is J. Red one is J line. This is J. Okay. Next one, this one is L. Then this one is M. This one is N. You can see this in your textbook, page number 70. The orange one is C. Then this one, blue one is A. Okay beta. हाँ बेटा.
તું શું કરે છે?
B. Okay. So now here we can see that we are having six lines. So now first question is lines whose point. First I would give you some intersecting points name. So this intersecting point will be A, this one will be B, this one will be C. Already all these things are given in textbook. So this one is D, this one is E, and this one is F, and this one is K. This one is H, this one is I, and this one is G. Okay. Now first question, we will move forward on questions which are like this. First question is lines whose point of intersection is B. So you can see this question, you can see figure in the textbook. So line L and A both are having B as an intersecting point. Lines whose point of intersection is G. So line B and N, these both lines are having point G as an intersection point. All pairs of parallel lines. So L is parallel to M is parallel to N. L is parallel to M is parallel to N, and L is parallel to N. Okay. all points lying on the line A. So line A is having point I. Line A is having point I, K, E, B and J, which you can see that. E point of intersection of line L and B. Points of intersection of line L and B. So A is the intersection point of line L and B. Okay. Next question is, the question is like this: how many rays are there in the figure? So here already I have shown every rays in different color. So you can easily find out. This one ray OA, this one OB, this one OC, this one OD. So total 4 rays are there. Total 4 rays are there. Now write the concurrent lines and concurrent points in this figure. So already I have shown lines and intersecting point. So what is the meaning of concurrent line? First upon I would like to remind you what is the concurrent. When 3 or more lines are said to be concurrent if all of them pass through the same point. It means when 3 or more lines are passing through one common point, then that point is called concurrent point. So here you can see this A is a concurrent point because from A line N, line R and line L is passing through. Then B is also a concurrent point. This one is also a concurrent point because line Q, line M and line N is passing through this point. Line Q, this line and these 3 lines are passing through from this point. So A, B, then C. C is also a concurrent point by Q, then R and then P. These 3 lines are passing through from C. That's why C is also a concurrent point. So here we got 3 concurrent points. Now in this figure, how many rays are there in a line starting from O? Name them. So this is the question number 9, which is on the page number 70. Textbook page number 70. Here already I have drawn a figure. So I am going to give some names. Here it is Q, this is O, this is P and this is R. Now here, as you can see that if we will start from here and go from this, so OQ is the first ray, then OP is the second ray, then OR is the third ray. So like this, there are 3 rays on this line. There are 3 rays on these lines. So next one is, in the given figure, name the lines and their points of intersection. So first of all I would like to give name. This is D, this is C, this is A, this is B and this is E. Okay. So here you can see that E is the intersecting point of line AB and line CD. E is the intersection point of line AB and line CD. In the given figure, identify the number of pairs of parallel lines. This is your assignment. Here you have to find out the parallel lines and the number of parallel lines you have to find out, and you have to give the name. Okay, thank you so much. If you are having any doubt, so you can forward me. Have a nice day. Thank you.